And now this is called Bug Strike.
Yeah, Grossery Gang Bug Strike.
Right. Find the... I don't know how to say that. How do you read this?
Wow. Find the ultra rare war Grosseries Inside. Well, you have 150 pieces to collect.
Yes, and there's also new accessories.
Yeah. You want to unpack it now?
Yes. Let's see in the back. Now let's open it.
Yeah.
That's impossible.
What happened?
Nothing. It's just something that it's broken. I got it.
Yeah.
But it hurts. We got a mystery right here. Look. Look. Now how do you open this? This is like a shoppin packaging. A cameraman.
Yes.
Can you help me? I can pop it. It's squishy. But
It's a squishy.
there was a mystery one.
Yeah, this is a mystery one, I guess.
And
You see, they got a box like
he
it.
has the accessory of
Army
this.
cut. Okay. You can put them inside.
Yes,
You can put them
I'm
in the
gonna
box.
Put this one in here. Look, there's a shooter.
Yeah.
Doesn't work. Let's put one grocery gang and try some.
Yeah, you can shoot this one. Put it on the table first and shoot it. And then, okay, you shoot it already.
Shoot.
Where is it?
I don't know. It's right here.
Okay.
So let's take out the other. There's also a card.
Yeah.
We don't need that. We need squishies. And the baby is crying.
Yeah, the baby is crying. Yeah, this one is good.
Yeah, that sounds good. This is the accessory.
Yeah.
It's like the same thing. It's supposed to be the same. And we have this. We have, what is this? Bottle of mustard?
Let's check out the fire. And
a sausage gun.
yeah.
What is this?
I don't know. We got too many, you see. Too many different pieces. It's
And look
difficult to
at the
rebound.
back.
It's a lot. I don't know. I have no idea. It's difficult to find it out.
Ooh, oh no! Look. Now let's look at the last one. Can't take it out.
You cannot take it out?
No. Thank you. He has a gun. You can put it inside.
You want a wine? We cannot drink wine here. We got a bottle of wine.
No, I will be dead.
We
Look,
are
he's supposed to hold it like this.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see you guys next time. Just kidding. Today we're gonna open more. Just kidding. Now we're gonna show you all of the floor. Ooh, the baby is yelling for help. Go help the baby. Okay, so bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want one video. Bye bye. What happened? Was I sleeping?
Yes.
Okay, sorry, but we just open this crate and this thing from the other video, and now I'm gonna open 3 of these videos. And now this is Bug Strike. This is called Bug Strike. Grossery Gang, and it's 4 up so you can play. So let's take a look at the back. Now let's take a look at the front, and now let's open it. I can open it by myself. I ain't need no help. So we don't need to use these crates, but I'm very strong. So we got my crate. That there's a secret one. I think we got the same one. We just got the same one from last time. Let's open this one. Pop it for me. So, while he's opening it, let's open the other one. So it's not the same. It's not the same, but it's the same, but it's different color. So now, this is Mr. Squiggle. Ha. And this is Mr. Squiggle's sharp thing that he could hold in his hand. Mr. Squiggle. So you can only put this in the hand. So he's holding it. That's good. Now let's take out these things. We got the slingshot. And the person who holds the slingshot, he can hold Mr. Squiggle's staff. And the slingshot, he can hold it. And we got the last one. We got, what is this?
I don't know.
This thing and him. And I did not make up a name for him. So let's just put this here. This actually fits, and then we put it down, and then that's all we got. And let's try putting this to swing. I'm going to use Mr. Squiggles, and then we're going to put him here. Boom! Oh, that did not work, certainly. I need to put him in the right hole. No, that doesn't work ever. Oh, yeah, you have to do it like this. No, it doesn't work in this video. So let's put them all together. Mr. Squiggles with his staff. And Mr. Raging guy with his slingshot. And this guy with his something. These things can open very much. So this is what we got. And we got 2 slingshots. And now we're going to put it in my crate. And I don't know how to put it. So let's put all of these in my crate.
Yes, army gray.
But the other thing was eyebrow. Sorry, it's army crate. So we got my army crate. We got 2 army crates, 2 of the Grossery Gang slingshots. And now let's open the other one. Now we're going to open this guy. And this is basically the same thing. So now let's open it. This is good. Oh my gosh, it was so hard to open. Let's open Army crate first. Like as always, we open the Army crate. But always we get the dynamite, but this time we got this balloon. Mesmerizing. Mesmerizing. So, now we're going to open this, and I can't open. Let's try. No, that's not going to work. Oh my gosh. Did that flame there by itself? Say yes.
Yes.
So this is him. Why did these grocery gangs always have a hole in their head? Like this. Now let's open the other one. Chompies. This is Chompy. So I made his name up. It is Chompy. And you're supposed to put this in his hand. And he did not know how to hold it. That's not supposed to be how he holds it. We got a genie for a soup. And you can't hold it? Oh, that was a game. Grocery game. I did not see that. And he has his accessory, which is a spoon for the soup. He has a spoon for his soup. Look. So that's finished. We also got a spoon. These grocery gangs are so squishy, so their holes can hold very much. Okay, this is that. This is that. This is that. Why are you not talking that much?
I'm holding cameras and a lot of things on my head. Easy now.
Let's put it
And actually, I'm
inside.
sending messages as well.
Really?
Yeah, mommy is coming.
Oh. So this is the third army crate. So now let's open this. So this is what we're going to open now. So this is the same thing that we're going to open every day. Not every day.
Actually, we still have a few more packs of Grossery Gangs at home. But different series. This is series what? I don't know. Bug Strike.
This doesn't say it, so I did not say it. And always the same thing. Check this box. He has a carrot. Now let's open the other one first. Ouch! Oh, this is a clear. Check on the flyer who this is. Look, this. It's so cool. Oh. Who is this? Check on the flyer. He is clear. Who is this?
They got so many, look. They got so many
This is a
similar
gun.
one.
This is a gun.
Oh, with such an eyes.
No, it's this side. There's a lot of oranges.
Okay, this is maggots.
This one.
Major maggots.
This one.
Yes. No. Maybe yes. Maybe no. Or
Look at the accessories.
Bevel has a. Okay. It's difficult to recognize them.
It's this one.
Okay.
So I don't know his name. So now we're gonna open the other ones. I see a grave mark. He's got a bowl. He got a knife. This is a bowl and this is a knife that he's supposed to hold. This is an oval hole. This is him. We got a graveyard man. Here's the graveyard man, but icky. Here's him. Now we got the last one, which looks like poo. This is trash. This is a toilet plunger, I think. So he's supposed to hold the toilet plunger. Yeah, so that's a torch. That, and the other guy. I think he's a rare. So, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers, so press the subscribe button and we'll see y'all next time. Bye.